The fight between centre and Delhi government over ongoing oxygen crisis has taken a new twist as the centre claims that the Delhi government does not have enough storage space to store the excess supply of life-saving gas it has demanded. The centre has alleged that Kejriwal government has been unable to deploy demanded oxygen, which is causing a delay in the turnaround of tankers sent for supply. The centre has further claimed that this delay is impacting supply for other states as well, and that the mismanagement indicates hoarding and black marketing of oxygen cylinders by the state. The central agencies have carried out a survey in top Delhi hospitals to assess the oxygen stock, and as per the survey of the central ministry, hospitals across the board have 1.2 times available oxygen of the daily requirement, but that is not true. We've got multiple ground reports that are coming in from across the board from hospitals in an unprecedented way taking on to Twitter to sound of SOS of not having enough oxygen. So this particular survey is a claim that is being made by the central government, but the hospital owners and managements are painting an entirely different picture, and the ground reports are starkly different than these claims. The agencies are further claiming, these are the central government agencies claiming, that some hospitals have enough stock to last them for the next 4 to 5 days, as the oxygen supply to Delhi was increased by 50% in the last 2 days.
केंद्र सरकार से हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूं कि जिस तरह से एक दिन उन्होंने सहयोग किया और दिल्ली को पहली बार 700 से ज़्यादा टन ऑक्सीजन मिली, हालात इसी तरह रहने तक 700 टन तो कम से कम सुनिश्चित करके रखें। उसके अलावा भी जरूरत है, लेकिन 700 टन कम से